I'll let you build it. So now you have to reconstruct it.
I don't think that.
Watch when they finish, you'll see a ridiculous difference in the mix overall, because now they'll be able to control all the elements of the song inside of one, instead of doing that 2-track thing. We all about advancing over here. We separating ourselves from the average everyday, so you know, it's hard work, but that's what's going to be the separation. That's not a problem.
Yeah.
That's not a problem. I'm looking for things
You're
like...
talking about the effects.
Right here?
You're on your effect channel.
Yeah, I'm looking
This
for...
one, I just basically put a stereo shape. Basically, instead of when you put on headphones, like instead of if it just sounding in the middle, it sounds like on the side.
Okay, now stuff like that definitely take off.
I should take off.
That's
that.
what I'm looking for. If you did things like
You gotta turn
working
it
with
off.
any of the EQ, like any of the band spectrum of frequencies, if you turn down
For this one, I mess with that.
Pro EQ.
let me hear what it sounds like with and without.
Without. So this one sounds without. It sounds like this. That's what it sounds like
What do it sound like with it?
with it.
Take it off. Anything that gives resonance to the signal, you don't want it there.
He took off everything.
Alright, so let me hear the beat now.
Without everything.
Yeah. Is
Oh yeah.
everything's sitting at zero. Everything's panned to the center.
It's all good.
Alright, so
I'll mess with that. Bro.
good. At this point now, what you have to do is now you export the bones. Well, let's not even export the bones. This is the process that's gonna suck for you, because you got a lot of tracks. You have to export each individual track in from here, because so like track 1, that's its own individual track. Track 2, own individual track. Track 3, own individual. So you export those because that has the placement of your arrangement, right?
Right. So
That's what I was asking you. That's what I didn't get, because I was like, damn, you want me to take off all the things that I'm not to put it? I'm like, nah,
So
I'm not gonna do all that.
So can I mute all these?
Yeah, you can mute all those.
Oh my god.
Do you know how long this one to take?
Now in Studio One, now you set up for bringing those exported stems in. So yes, you create new song.
Hey, what's create new project?
That's for when you start to master.
So when we
You
create.
ain't ready for it yet. Not yet.
Alright, so what?
So go up. You'll do empty song. Name that song title.
Money.
Instrumental.
Money it? What?
Instrumental.
Oh yeah, this is the instrumental. I forgot.
Then we gonna do it to
Space dash space.
Space.
Money. keep building. You're building all the way through. And then, once you get done building, save a second version. It'll be V2. And then you start your effects processing over.